Welcome back, guys, ladies and gentlemen, and all my viewers. Welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series of tutorial Python on Jetson Nano. It's pretty fascinating, right? All right, we are already in lesson number 11. Today I'm going to show a string variable. What a string variable means. All right. So string variables can be declared either by using a single quote or a double quote. Okay, there are also three quotes which I am going to show in the future lessons. All right. So basically, to create a string, put the sequence of characters inside either a single quote or a double quote or a triple quote, and then you got to assign it to a particular variable. All right. I hope this is clear. I'm going to show you some examples. You can just follow those what I'm trying to do. So basically, Python treats a single quote the same way as double quote. Okay, watch this, listen to this carefully. Python program will treat your single quote or a double quote the same way. All right, now creating a string is as simple as assigning a specific value to a variable. Okay, let me show you an example. So here we go. I have already logged into my Jetson Nano, and there you go, guys. I hope you are ready. Let me show you some example. Okay, now let's say we already created a file, right? Let's open the same file called variable. How do we do that? Nano IDE, nano variable .py. Okay, let me, can we use the same program? No, let's create a new one. Let's not copy the previous ones, guys. That's a bad habit. I would like you guys to start everything from scratch, start typing, deleting and stuff like that. So that's going to give you a very good practice. All right, let's do one thing. X equal to your name. What's your name? Say Tony Stark. Oh shit. Hold on a second. Hold on a second, guys. Looks like some problem. I need to exit. Control X. Okay, here you go. X equal to Tony Stark. Interesting name. Okay, now watch this carefully. I have used a double quote. Okay, now Y equal to single quote Tony Stark. Okay, Stark, single quote. Can you see the difference? X equal to double quote Tony Stark, and Y equal to, it's the same Tony Stark but single quote. So what I want to show you guys is print. Let's do one thing. Instead of Y, let me declare this as X. Okay, so both are X. X equal to double quote Tony Stark. X equals to single quote Tony Stark. It's the same. So let's see how it prints. Let's see the output. Print X. Okay, Control O, enter, Control X. Now let's run this Python file. I hope it works. It should. Python 3 variable.py. There you go. Can you see? Can you see, guys? There were two inputs, right? X equal to double quote Tony Stark, X equal to single quote Tony Stark. But when I say print X, it just says Tony Stark. Why? Because it accepts, right? So that's the way you can play around with strings, either a single quote or a double quote, and that's all about it, guys. That's how it is. That's the strings invariable. I hope you like this lesson. Do please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'll come back to you soon in the next video very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.